I've mentioned the HiBy R4 a few times on this channel. It's a great digital audio player, but it does have one pain point, which is album art. Sometimes your audio files won't have any album art associated with them, so you have to manually search the internet for the album art and apply it to the audio files. This can be a tedious process, so I decided to use OpenAI's coding agent, Codex, to put together a Python script that will do this for me automatically. In this video, I will show you a basic overview of the process from start to finish. I'm using the Codex plugin for Visual Studio Code. I start by telling Codex what type of app I want to build and what it should do. I tell it that I want to create a Python app that will search the internet for album art and apply it to the tracks. As it runs, it displays what it's doing so you can see how your instructions are being applied. I also have it set up so that after every code change, it commits and pushes to my Git repo. Once it has completed each set of instructions, it provides a summary of what was done. After a few iterations of me explaining to the agent how I would like my app to look, feel, and function, this is the result. Navigate to my SD card, select the album, and then search for album art. This was a quick example of how AI can help solve our everyday problems. I had a small annoyance, missing album art, that I didn't want to keep fixing manually. AI helped me build a solution faster.